Hello everyone, what's up? This is Saad. कैसे हो boys? क्या चल रहा है? You can post your comments. I want to see if I can see them. Can you hear me properly? Okay, I am reading a couple of comments that confirms that you can hear me properly. I think we'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we can start our Jugadu journey. Wow, there's another person who has a similar name, Saad Faruqi. Hi, Saad. Sorry, I was a bit thirsty. गाने यार आते होते तो क्या ही बात थी. नाइस कमेंट दो. जुगाड़ से गाना सुना सकता हूँ कि मैं असल में होऊंगा नहीं, कोई और गा रहा होगा. अच्छा, वन थिंग यार, प्लीज देख के कमेंट करना, क्योंकि किसी के अगर इंपॉर्टेंट वो सवाल होंगे तो आई थिंक दे गोइंग टू बी मिस्ड आउट, क्योंकि आई हैव टू स्क्रॉल एवरी टाइम टू सी द कमेंट्स, तो प्लीज. वैसे स्पैम कर देना अच्छा है, मुझे कम जवाब देने पड़ेंगे. I think when should we start, or should we give it a couple of, okay, I'll give it a couple of minutes. 16 है क्या? सारों का बेनिफिट हो जाए. चल पे. हाँ या I'll just do it manual. Okay. ये केटोरेट भी मुझे स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है, ये देखो. असल में अंदर पानी है, ये जुगाड़ होता है. चलो हार. ये मेरा जानने वाला लम्स का बॉय है. He got admission in pretty good universities. ईद उल अज़हा है, हाँ हम यही काटेंगे. बकरों की जगह हम इनको ज़िबा करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. जीआरई को तुम लोग देखना. ये हमजा जमी, हमजा मलिक. वाओ, another one student. वाओ, श्वेता जी आई हैं. Thank you, Shweta, I'm sorry. She's a colleague of mine. I wouldn't say a colleague, but yeah, a batchmate in Duke. We haven't gone yet though. Please start spamming so that I don't have to listen to and read a lot of questions. ये मेरा जुगाड़ है. I think we should start, है ना? You guys can start asking questions. बस ये keep in mind यार कि इतना भी spam ना करना कि बार-बार वो important questions ना हो. और एक बंदे का जब हो जाएगा उसके बाद अगले पे जाएंगे. और जो बहुत ज़्यादा वही सवाल पूछेगा तो वो मैं एंड में सॉल्व कर दूँगा। एंड देयर इज़ आल्सो अ सरप्राइज़ फॉर यू, लेट्स सी। सस्ता सा बोर्ड भी लेके आए हैं, पीछे देख सकते हैं। किंग ऑफ जुगाड़। थैंक यू अर्पेश, ही इज़ अ फेलो बैचमेट फ्लम्स, अ जूनियर एक्चुअली। यार बेसिकली ये सीन है कि लैपटॉप जान के लाए हैं ताकि ज़्यादा लोग आ जाए ना। मानो समझा करो। हाँ, Isha Salman is my cousin and she was basically the daughter of Flums, but she's a 3T. She actually had a really good verbal score वैसे, वो भी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पे, which actually motivated me यार के पढ़ना है, मैंने तो 1000 अटेम्प्ट दे के लिए। अच्छा चलो, let's get straight to the point. पहला question. Before this यार, I have to give an important shout out, and that's for my mom. She has been with me through thick and thin, so yeah, she's a very important person. And she has been in this journey for, I don't know, क्या age है मेरी, 25 years, yeah. So thank you, and अभी जो ये सारे जुगाड़ मिल रहे हैं, that's because of my mom's grooming. And secondly, जो ये नाम है 341, ये मेरा भाई सॉफ्टी ने लिखा है, तो इस चीज़ के लिए भी थैंक यू सॉफ्टी। और जो मैं क्रिकेट खेल के आ रहा था ना, ये हम शेमलेस एडवर्टाइजिंग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये कि हमारी जैसी नस्ल का बॉय है, हमास एंड मूसा फैसल, सो इसी तरह इनिशिएटिव उनका बॉक्स क्रिकेट, एंड नाउ यू बी सेइंग कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के मेजर्स नहीं ले रहे हैं हम। यार एक आधी गेम लगाते हैं, वो भी आधे घंटे की, एंड वो भी आफ्टर पता नहीं गॉड नोज हाउ लॉन्ग। तो डू चेक देयर पेज आउट। चाहे माँ खाला। या दैट शी इज माय मॉम। माशाल्लाह। अच्छा तुम लोग जो हो ना, कम से कम 5 मुझे कमेंट्स चाहिए ओके, इज बेटर देन प्लीडिंग यार प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दें, प्लीज कर दें, प्लीज कर दें। चलो आई स्टार्ट में पहला ऑल लिखता हूँ। 4 और चाहिए वरना मैं शुरू ही नहीं करने वाला। और ईशा पहली बंदी, इसको लाइव सेशन मिलेगा। 2 हो गए। वाओ, और रोहान, रोहान को तो मैंने ज़िबा करना है। उमैर आमिर, 4 एक और हो जाए, मैंने बस तंग करने के लिए किया था। वरना सब्सक्राइब करो मेरा चैनल, करो करो करो। ओह जी, साथ फारूकी। अच्छा चलो, पहला अब सवाल पूछना शुरू कर दो यार। अगर उमाइमा, कैन यू प्लीज टाइप इट अगेन, कैन यू टेल व्हिच थैंक यू फील ऑनर्ड गॉड ऑफ जुगाड़। यार ये बंदा बहुत अच्छा है स्पोर्ट्स में, इसने पढ़ना छढ़ना कुछ नहीं होता है, लाउंस पता नहीं इसका एडमिशन कैसे हो गया, लेकिन या ही इज एक्चुअली वेरी गुड स्पोर्ट्समैन एंड नो एक्सक्यूजेस। अच्छा उमाइमा, या जो भी अब से कमेंट्स करो आप स्टार्ट, एंड आई कीप मोस्ट ऑफ द सेशन इन इंग्लिश। 3 पॉइंटर्स का राज बताऊं? 3 पॉइंटर्स का यार, हाथों में मैं कुछ लगा के मैं मारता हूँ। मोहम्मद आरिज रिजवान जी, यार ही छोड़ो, अब तो छोड़ दिया बाकियों के लिए यार। थैंक यू यार, तुम लोग कितने फिट लोग हो। ये देखो, ये गलत स्पॉन्सर करें, ये गेटोरेट के अंदर पानी है। थैंक्स फ्रॉम पूरे यार मेरी। जस्ट प्रे फॉर माय मॉम एंड माय फैमिली यार। वो दोज who are years away from attempting GRE, can you recommend some tips to build vocab, etc.? अच्छा, that's a very good question वैसे। Can you recommend some tips to build vocabs? अच्छा यार, एक तो ये कि पीपल लोग ये बहाना मारते हैं कि यार हमारा रट्टा नहीं स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो अगर रट्टा नहीं स्ट्रॉन्ग ना, तो यार देयर इज अ वेबसाइट कॉल्ड, उसमें आई हैव आल्सो डन माय बिट। वहाँ वेबसाइट के अंदर इस mnemonics.com, सो द स्पेलिंग इज MNEMONICS, हाँ या .com। तो आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, जैसे अब प्रोट्रैक्ट होएगा, आपको नहीं पता क्या मतलब होता है, बट प्रोट्रैक्ट के साथ देयर इज एन एनालॉजी, प्रोट्रैक्टर, प्रोट्रैक्टर डी होता है मैथ में जो आप यूज करते हो, उसका क्या मतलब होता है, एंगल एक्सटेंड करते हो, राइट? सो द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोट्रैक्टर इज टू एक्सटेंड और डिले। इस तरह का कर लो अगर आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि वरना रट्टा मार से तो मगूश की ऐप करो, बेसिक और कॉमन। आई होप मैं इतना तेज नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे ये बता दो कि मैं इतना तेज बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये जुगाड़ है और कई लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कैसे लगाने। स्पोर्ट्स नहीं चल रही यहाँ, नाइकी की शर्ट पहनी है, प्रोफेसर साहब टाइप पहन कर स्टॉप द लेक्चर। तो आप और लिख दो अरेज, अलीजा शाकिर, स्टडी schedule for working professionals please। अच्छा, दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन बट दिस इज डजंट हैव वन आंसर ना। ये मैं एंड पे करूंगा, फिर से लिखना ये, क्योंकि ये एंड वाला है। बट हाँ, द जेस्ट इज के वोकेबलरी कम से कम आप ऑफिस में याद किया करो, लोगों को दिखाओ दैट यू आर एक्चुअली स्टडीइंग बट वर्किंग, बट ये कर लिया करो एटलीस्ट, क्योंकि मगूशी वोकेबलरी ऐप इज वेरी कंड्यूसिव राइट, इट्स वेरी इजी टू यूज। बट या मैं डिटेल आंसर इसको बाद में देता हूँ। अभी तो एक सरप्राइज जो आना है, अब देखते हैं कि लोग जीआरई तो करने आए हैं, लेकिन जुगाड़ लगाना आता है या नहीं। ओ माय मम सूद, हाउ कैन वी प्रैक्टिस यूजिंग ऑनलाइन कैलकुलेटर एट होम, कैन वी डाउनलोड। अच्छा यार, ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, टू द पॉइंट है। कैन वी प्रैक्टिस ऑनलाइन कैलकुलेटर एट होम? यार इट्स एक्चुअली इन द एग्जाम, इवन इफ यू डाउनलोड अ पावर प्रेप 1 और पावर प्रेप 2 व्हाटएवर, इट्स एक्चुअली इन द एग्जाम, सो इट इजंट एन ऑनलाइन कैलकुलेटर, इट इज एन ऑन स्क्रीन कैलकुलेटर। शायद मेरे से गलती हो गई थी, तो आप ये देख लेना, इट्स एन ऑन स्क्रीन कैलकुलेटर, यू डोंट हैव टू डाउनलोड इट। अगर आपके लैपटॉप में नंबर कीपैड नहीं है तो आप यू कैन अटैच दैट विद यूएसबी, उस तरह कर लो। अरेज वी वांट टू सी दैट 12 साल की बिल्ली कहाँ है वो। 12 कोई नहीं, 2 साल की है भाई। सो कैलकुलेटर की तो टेंशन ना लो, लेकिन ये टेंशन लो कि इसका जुगाड़ कैसे लगाना है। रोहान नजीर, एनी रिसोर्स अदर देन Magoosh videos for math concepts? Good question. फ्रॉम मैथ कॉन्सेप्ट्स, या अगर आपने बहुत डिटेल में जाना है, सो मैनहट्टन की स्ट्रैटेजी गाइड्स, दो सिक्स स्ट्रैटेजी गाइड्स हर चीज़ के, फ्रैक्शंस एंड डेसिमल्स एंड दोस प्रॉब्लम सम्स एंड, और भी थे इस तरह चार और हैं, अलजेब्रा, डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, स्टफ लाइक दैट, सो वो कर लेना। बट आई वुड स्टिल रिकमेंड Magoosh is to the point. Mohammed, I've seen your jugars and lums, they work 100%. Thank you, Ariz. I think you are the torchbearer now, so I leave this to you. I wanted to ask if Anusha is in the conversation because she had a live session with me, so I'm just reconfirming if she is. Mahanur Asim, Pepper is my mood when it comes to tempting aptitude. Pepper is actually my pet. She's a female cat, Persian Grey. ये स्पैम करना शुरू करो ताकि जवाब ना देने पड़े। देखो पीछे पानी पी रहा है, इसकी शक्ल देख लेना। I wish any tips or जुगाड़ on how to prep for GRE for PA, वही है। I wish this is a question that I think Alina mentioned। ये मैं एंड में करूंगा क्योंकि हम सारे ही काम कर रहे होते हैं। ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है, ये एंड में कोई ना कोई फिर वापस कर ले, मैं लिख लेता हूँ क्या था, एनी वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स। ठीक है, ये गुड क्वेश्चन। अभी भी जो एक बहुत फिट सवाल पूछेगा ना टू द पॉइंट, उसको भी लाइव सेशन मिलेगा। आई होप आई एम आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस। यार अगर मैं बहुत तेज बोल रहा हूँ तो मुझे बता दो। I wish I don't think you qualify as a working professional. I wish don't lie to me then, मैं तेरा नहीं करूँगा आंसर। एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट जो लोग who are working, they should keep in mind that it's not that easy. ये जुगाड़ भी लगाने वगैरह, you have to know कि क्या करना है exactly. Hamza Malik, ये मेरा दोस्त है, नाम उसका, he works at Kareem. How did you manage your prep while working full time at British Council? Please share जुगाड़. यार British Council, यार I took advantage of work from home to be honest. I used to work from 9 to 5, फिर उसके बाद जो काम मिलता था मैं रात को करता था. My line manager is in line with me. I think that was repeated line, मैंने एम रिपीट कर दिया, बट यहाँ तो काफ़ी मेरे साथ तो सही था. मेरा तो आसान था, बट आपके कमिटमेंट की गेम है सारी. अगर आप करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. लोग, मैं 5,000 लफ्ज़ भी याद करते तब भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा था. लोग 100 लफ्ज़ याद करते तब भी स्कोर मारते थे. Lisa, the right mock exams to attend before final exam. यार ये बहुत फिट सवाल है. आई थिंक इसको मैं एक रखूंगा सवाल फॉर फ्री सेशन एज ए पर्सन, कि ये शायद हो सकता है क्वालिफाई, क्योंकि ये बहुत फिट सवाल है, टू द पॉइंट है. राइट मॉक एग्जाम, अगर पैसे लगाने पड़ेंगे, सो यू शुड परचेज पावर प्रेप प्लस 3 for $40. Lisa, I got you. You work right, so you can earn and you can afford. I wish who are you? Shehzad Ali, the boy in the background is such a cutie. Abdullah, please take off your mask. He's my friend Shehzad. He's in Hungary. He's hungry for the GRE school. I hope my brother and mom are here watching this, and my father. I would advise everyone to give the test in COVID, but it's a blessing in disguise. Wow, 22 लोग आ गए हैं. अब मैं ऐसा करता हूँ कि मैं जान के चला जाता हूँ. ईशा, what's a reasonable score if you're applying for Fulbright? यार ये बहुत ही फिट सवाल है, ये भी काउंट होएगा उसके लिए. So there's no one approach that fits all, but ये सीन है कि Fulbright का जो सीन है ना, वो ये है कि इट्स कल्चरल एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम, राइट? सो यू हैव टू शो कि आप क्या डिजर्व, क्यों डिजर्व करते हो टू गो, एंड देन व्हाट विल यू ब्रिंग व्हेन यू कम बैक टू पाकिस्तान. सो इट्स नॉट जीआरई बेस्ड और मेरिट एग्जाम स्कॉलरशिप. सो ज्यादा जीआरई का आपको नहीं करना होता, बट या इट्स गेम चेंजर. इट वोंट हार्म यू ऑब्वियसली. सो या ये बहुत फिट सवाल है जीआरई का. इट आल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन योर मेजर्स कि आपका मेजर क्या है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ ईशा वाज एन इकोनॉमिक्स मेजर, शी वुड हैव टू हैव अ हाई क्वांट स्कोर, एंड क्वांट refers to math, ये शशके हैं GRE के उसके, and verbal refers to English. So and for someone who's applying in IR should have a high verbal score. Now what do you mean by high verbal score? ये आप लोग खुद पहले सोचें. What's the reason score for applying for bullet? Show, please show gold medals. वो पढ़े हैं पीछे, यहाँ पढ़े. Anusha Atik, she's back. ये लिख लो, she is here. How is giving the test in COVID a blessing in disguise? I've heard it gets quite cumbersome and hectic of taking the test. Ah, yes, this is a myth that I have to demystify. यार a lot of people say कि यार इंटरनेट खराब हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है, वो हो जाता है, but that's not the case, to be honest. It's easier because आपकी environment अपनी होती है. वहाँ जाके there's a lot of pressure. You have to deal with all the invigilators and everything. It's a very professional environment there. So yeah, one thing that, and other thing is that यार अच्छा, you can't cheat. अच्छा, ये अगर तुम लोग समझ रहे हो ना कि चीटिंग कर लेंगे हम, कि कैमरे से यहाँ वहाँ मुंह या फॉर एग्जांपल किसी इंस्ट्रक्टर को बिठा देंगे, सो पता चल जाएगा क्या क्या होएगा. So it is a blessing in disguise. I know it's an unfortunate position, but yeah, I've heard it gets quite cumbersome. No, it doesn't. And hectic. No, it doesn't. You've taken the no. Hamza Malik, GRE at home versus test center. Good question. At home, I would say at home for now. ये कभी कोई situation ऐसी आई नहीं है. So capitalize on this. And कोई भी चीज़ होती है, obviously, you should take an opportunity. We should capitalize on it. At home पे बहुत easy scene है, even for registering, right? So you can take any date, any time, any day, any. Momina Athe. Can you name all the other resources that we are supposed to use other than Magoosh for GRE prep? ये बहुत वो है मोमिना, आपका सवाल बहुत लंबा है. For GRE prep and बताओ specific, be specific for quant or AWA which is the essay और verbal. ये बहुत लंबा होएगा, ये end में कर लेंगे. क्या था? Name all the other resources. But good question nonetheless. Hamza Malik, it's time you gave your GRE and stop being a corporate slave. अच्छा, आई गिव यू वेरी गुड टिप्स जिससे 340 आउट ऑफ 340 आता है. ये यूट्यूबर हूँ मैं बहुत बड़ा. पहली बात आपको ये कि यू शुड बी पंक्चुअल, बहुत फिट टिप है, ठीक है. दूसरी बात ये कि यू शुड बी मोटिवेटेड, बहुत ही फिट टिप है. तीसरी ये कि यू शुड बी वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. उफ, इससे आपका स्कोर चेंज हो गया ना, तो मुझे मेरा चैनल बंद करवा देना. मोमिन आके, अच्छा ये वही सवाल है. मैं भी शायद ऐसी टिप्स दे रहा हूँ, हम शायद मार्केटिंग कर रहे हो ऐसी. हमजा मलिक, या मैन यू आर राइट, या मैन यू डोंट हैव टू बी फॉर्मल. ये फुल ब्राइट वाला सवाल अच्छा था ईशा का. Noor is laughing. What are you laughing at? Zohaib Khan कोई नया boy आया है. Many US universities are not accepting home-based GRE. Is this off? ये जो लोग बातें फैलाते हैं ना, मुझे बताओ कि who told you this? I'm not judging you or anything, but I want to demystify this. Who actually told you this? कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी का नेम भी बता दो ना, तो I'll be in contact with them. यार, to be honest, even if you give the GR at home, even if you go for masters 4 years down the line, ये कभी नहीं होगा कि डिस्क्रिमिनेट होगा कि एट होम दिया है, ये दिया है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ईटीएस वोंट इवन नो कहाँ से दिया है. अब भी कैपिटलाइज करो, मैं तुम्हें लोगों को बोलूंगा. आप लोगों की अपनी मर्जी है. इंटरनेट को ले लो यार, इतना सस्ता ना बनो सब. बट यार, यू शुड डू दिस. यार, ये मुझे कोई बता दे इफ आई एम स्पीकिंग टू फास्ट, क्योंकि पीपल यूजुअली हैव एन इशू. मानो जो आप हंस रही है ना, आप ही बोल दें. So Zohaib, I think you should chill about this and give the test and go through the grind. There is nothing of that sort. Absolutely nothing. If that was the case, then why? Look, ETS, the test maker, is from US, right? So why would they restrict US universities in the first place? Just keep that in mind. So please don't believe in these myths. I mean, please. 340 out of 340 लेना, मैं भी ऐसी पे टिप्स देना शुरू कर दूंगा. और इस बैकग्राउंड में अब्दुल्ला नासिर था. पता नहीं था या नहीं. महानूर आसिम, GRE supposed to be all about speed. आप तेज बोले. Yeah, she's actually right, and that's a good analogy. You have to beat the time. So everyone can solve the questions. The topics aren't that difficult, so that's a positive. But you have to beat the time. You have to beat that. So the entire game is of time. और ये नहीं हो सकता that you save some time from one section and then flip to the other section. That's not possible. The ETS makers are really smart. I don't know if he's Abdullah or not, Aris. ये सब क्रिकेट खेलने चलते हैं E11 पता है. अरे फिर भी अब्दुल्ला को मेरा प्यार. अब्दुल्ला, आपको हारिस रिजवान का प्यार है. अब पता नहीं वो बैठा हुआ है या नहीं. I think I should be speaking in English for the because I feel sorry for the foreigners who will join or see this video at a later date. Or should I not make it public? Then should this only be a live session? Please tell me if this should only be a live session then and not be saved. So I have three long questions saved for the end. Working professionals. The number two is Fulbright. Isha ka working professional was, I think, Albush and Alina. Third was other resources. Yeah. So other resources ka Momina ka tha. So that shows that I have a photogenic memory. Mohammed Hassan, do you recommend purchasing Magoosh? Good question. Magoosh Manhattan subscription. So if you can afford, then Magoosh definitely for now. But I'll be giving you a flavor of my questions, so you can decide. I'll give you a flavor. Let's see when I will. And Manhattan subscription, no, not man. Just purchase the Manhattan 5 LP and just go through that. बस डोंट परचेज इट अगर इतने पैसे लगाने मुझे दे देना Abdullah Nasir thank you Sohaib I had planned to take GRE in August but some of my friends studying की spelling गलत है in Finland and Germany are trying to convince me to take delay with this so Zohaib अच्छा ये friends कौन है but some of my friends are trying to convince me to take delay so इन friends से पूछो कि आपने GRE दिया कितनी दफ़े और research इस पे कितनी दफ़ा की है then get back to me this is a misconception Mohammed Ares Rizwan everyone should benefit from God of Jugaad. Speak in English or video public. Okay, bro. Isha, I am the most intriguing question that comes to my mind is who is Saad's mom? Uh, now you guys have to guess my mom's name. Hashim Omer. Why are you wearing dry fit? Uh, I don't know about that. I think Nike sponsored me. Perhaps or not. Or perhaps I stole the shirt from Nike. Good question. But you have to guess my mom's name before we move on. Saad Faruqi should be public. He has my name. So yeah, I'm going definitely going to listen to him. Can you hear me properly though? Saad, 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 Saad. Hashim, man, not that. Okay. Hashim, you can't guess. And I only told you the nickname of my brother, right? It was Softy. So you have to know his full name also. You keep guessing till the end of the session. Manur at Isha, the only other woman in the world who looks like your mom. Isha, Dura is asking Saad Mahmood, do you love me? Definitely. And this guy is from America. I think he's going to succeed in giving the GRE. Gora banda hai na, gori chamdi hai. Rafiz Aniyal, can I guess? Um, take them in the wrong direction, I would say. Saad Faruqi. Mast tawasa. Ari. Going strong. मजा आ गया Tahir Agi Azhar. What is more difficult? वर्बल और कौन डेफिनेटली वर्बल डेफिनेटली अगर आप शेक्सपियर के बच्चे भी हैं ना फिर भी वर्बल नहीं होने वाला इतनी आसानी से सो या वर्बल इज डेफिनेटली मोर डिफिकल्ट इट्स मोर चैलेंजिंग इट रिक्वायर्स मोर टाइम कांट ऑन द अदर हैंड इफ even if you're not good at it it's more practice like Mohammed Hassan how much did you score 341 keep asking me the same question and keep answering this okay how much was your GPA wait Hassan you have to tell me your GPA I'll judge your caliber by that. Fahim Muhammad, what sources do you recommend to improve analytical thinking? Okay, so I have to give a shout out to him. He's my line manager at British Council and he's a workaholic. So, I mean, he is too good. He's an inspiration for us to work. So, what sources do you recommend to improve analytical thinking? I'll give you shit tips first. Be motivated, be punctual, be organized, uh, have positive energy, drink black coffee, stuff like that. But yeah, analytical thinking or analytical writing, it's more about the structure of the essay, okay? You don't have to put a lot of words or have to write a lot of stuff. That's not the point. So lambi nahi karni like metric or FSC. You just have to be to the point. So Fahim bhai, thank you for asking this question. Yes, is there a way to know how many sections of verbal or count will come in the exam? Wow, that is some jugaad. Is there a way to know how many sections of verbal or cont will come in the exam? Yes, there is, but I think we'll disclose this as a surprise someday, or perhaps never, or perhaps right now, or perhaps never. Good question though. I've given the test I think 1,000 times, so it has actually ripped me off, and that's actually why I'm working at British Council so I can earn some pounds. Oh, I'm not going to name this guy. What if I don't even know how to cross multiply? So I know a person who started with uh who didn't know what x plus x was. So what does is x plus x x square? Please answer this. You have to guess my brother and my mother's name. I won't be answering the longer questions. Otherwise you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Saad Vela. भाई तुम तो वेले हो. I don't think I'm going to answer. Ali Ahmed, it's 2x because you taught me. That I guess it. No, it's 2x. Wow, that's such a cool answer. Yes, 2x. मानूर आसिमत अली GRE आपके लिए नहीं देन. यार GRE जो है ना बस अजीब सी सीन है. GRE किसके लिए नहीं यार. साथ आपको मस्त आवाज आ रही. No one has guessed my brother's name, Softy's name, or my mother's name. Ali, I did not know how to cross multiply before Saad helped me with my GRE. I think he's just marketing for me. I don't even know who he is. Hashim, please give shout out to Duda, the king of GRE. Shout out to Duda, the king of GRE and the king of ACC and the king of law. So I'm glad foreigners are also joining. That's pretty insane, to be honest. I think सात को मस्त आवाज नहीं आ रही है. So I have 5 minutes and then there's a surprise. So like, let's not make it boring. Ali, I mean, what day should I give the exam on? I heard you score more on Monday. Uh, so that depends that on a lot of factors, and some factors can't be explained. So let's just answer this some other day. Saad Vela, dude, what are you doing? I'm sitting. I know you mean that. What are you doing? As in, what are you? As in, what's your aspirations? My I aspire to sit. So you need to be more specific. Do you get the point? So like you need to be more specific with your questions. I would advise more people to join because the surprise is huge. 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 Alia, where? Hmm. I think my dog is has gone for a walk. You still haven't guessed my brother's name or my mother's name. Manu Asim, please let the surprise be the chorus from Adit. I think I should put you forward for that because यही होगा, you will be singing and I'll be taking all the credit because I know how to game the system. Atabak Israr, Assalamu alaikum Saad bhai, love your initiative. Thank you, Atabak. You have a really unique name though, Atabak Israr. Yeah, thank you so much. Are you planning to give the GRE? Hamza Lodi, hello. Thank you. I Lodi looks like a familiar name to me. Yep. So Hamza, what's up? Are you planning to give the GRE? Yes. When? अच्छा ये तो हम बड़ी बातें करें. What does GRE stand for? Now no one can Google. जो भी बंदा 10 सेकंड में आंसर दे देगा, he will get a free session. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sadi rumor 10. Session is off. Sadi rumors are Rafi was mentored for the GRE. Um, I have no answer to this. Hamza Lodi. Grand rate Easter. Anusha, I think you late. Yeah, but that's the right answer. And Anusha, I have to reply to you. My team has told me. So yeah, my team is really good. Ali Amir was your mentor. Yeah, you need to be specific and you need to keep your sentence structure right to get a good verbal score. यार अगर फ्री सेशन चाहिए तो नाम तक तो गेस नहीं कर रहे तो फिर फायदा क्या है. 10 सेकंड्स के जब वो दिए तो सब ग्रेजुएट रिकॉर्ड एग्जामिनेशन पे आ गए. अम्मी का भी नहीं पूरा कर सकते ना भाई का ना अब्बू का. अब्बू का तो करना नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे सरनेम में आ रहा है राफे. नो अली साद वाज अ मेंटर जस्ट लाइक ही वाज योर्स. अली आई रिमेंबर माय verbal being very consistent. Yeah, वैसे his verbal is actually very good. Hamza Uddin, my mentor is Softy. 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 Low 555. I think you can get that score too with my Jugards. So it's not only limited to a 341. Saeed Ali Sardar Jafri, Saad Amir is Cheetah. No, I am Lion. Thank you though. Azaz Bulaidi, that's a cute name. Hey, you are cute. Thank you. Are you prepping for the GRE? Hamza Lodi, that was my score. Wow. Without my Jugars. Okay, first of all, be organized, be punctual, be motivated. It will get you 341. 555 is that good? That's pretty insane to be honest. Pretty insane. Alia Amir, I need to score if you know what I mean, Lodi. सरदार जाफरी जुगाड़ू आदमी है ये सही कहा. Yeah, you guys are too supportive. So I know a lot of parents are also watching. So we're just keeping the atmosphere a little light. If you can't guess these two names, only Anusha is going to get the session because I've already promised her. So otherwise, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. So there's no point otherwise. I told you. Say I think we should start with the surprise. Okay, we'll wait. When does the class start? Yeah, let's see how we go about the classes because I've received around 620 messages in my inbox, personal inbox, saying that please start the classes virtually because of the COVID situation. Tahir Agi Azir, what's the difference between your content and the content provided by other channels on YouTube? What a question, man. I think this also qualifies for the free online session. Content mine versus YouTube. Why not GMAT? Very good question. What's the difference between your content and the content provided by other channels? Yeah, my content doesn't give you shit tips like be organized, be punctual, be motivated. Everyone knows that it's a no-brainer that you have to do that. if you're studying for the GRE. You guys will understand where I'm going to as time progresses. One who asking why not GMAT? I've given both, so yeah, I have no shame. Yeah, but yeah, GMAT is tougher in the sense that it has data sufficiency, which is difficult to conquer. Verbal also people say that is easier, but that's also a myth. That's also more difficult. So yeah, not GMAT. I wouldn't do. Hamza Lodi, when does the scoring start? Ali Ahmed, please positive, don't stress. Top tips. I wish I could kick them out of the YouTube channel. So I see some foreigners joining. I think that's very motivating. My mom always tells me that I never brush my hair and I never listen. So I'm actually serious about guessing the names. Yeah, waiting for the surprise. I'm not going to be like other YouTubers who will linger on. I will give you the surprise, but you guys have to guess the names. Should we start with the surprise or no? 5 minutes? Okay, 1 10 seconds. Guess how many minutes there are. खालिद मंसूर राफे दोबारा ना आए बीच में. Adam TIC. Surprise? Yeah, surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Hamza Lodi. Reach me. Yeah, Adam, you will get a surprise. Let's see how many of you know how to ace the GRE. Let's see. Izaz Buledi, did you score well in Quant because Hiranidin taught you in lumps? Yeah, Hiranidin was a good instructor. But like lumps math or any other university's math is much more. I think it's not O level math, right? So yeah, you can't compare the two. It's like comparing apples with oranges. Adam, is Rafi your secretary? No, he's my boss. Hamza Lodi. Surprise? Yeah, surprise. Adam TLC, please give shout out to Bible Boy. Oh, yeah, I think I followed him also. He has some really great music, really great videos regarding Nast. So you have to guess that because you have to guess my mother and my brother's name. Yes, the surprise will be there, but this is also surprise. Yes, surprise, surprise. Yes, surprise. Adam T hearts. Adam, are you planning on giving the GI? Let's see ना कितना आता है सरप्राइज में. Best GRE mentor. Yes, yes, inshallah. This inshallah never matures, to be honest. I think that's also a surprise. Your inshallah in itself is a surprise. Honestly speaking, my brother is at NUST. So yeah, students from NUST will get some discount, and they might get um they I don't know, but yeah, LUMS and NUST. I just have a affiliation with them, but yeah, no discrimination. Let's see how we go about it. I don't know about the discount. I'm not sure though. My team is going to manage that. So yeah, मैं अपने से बातें कर रहा हूँ. आदम TLC. Once Fulbright removes 3.5 restriction. ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है यार. मैं जल्दी से कर दूँ, इसके बाद सरप्राइज है. Fulbright ये 3.5 restriction जो है ये this is only for this year. So people should know that it's only for this year because of COVID. It's not going to be next year. So yeah, I think if you have a less than a 3.5, it's okay. Don't take it to your heart. Ali, I mean, no discount from us. Why? Acha, I think I'll be leaving and others would be moderating right now. So let's see. I'll be writing something. So let's see what the surprise is. Chalo, boys, I'm leaving. So yeah, this is the question that you have to solve. You have it's a coordinate geometry, so there is a line passing, and there's a coordinate 2 2, and it's passing, right? So you have to find the gradient, which is actually the slope. So what is the slope? You first have to guess. Let's see your thought process, and let's see if you can if you get into the ETS trap or not. No discount from us. This is the game changer. It's a very simple question, to be honest. Everyone knows you use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, so that's not an issue. But how to solve it? But the person who solves this, let's see what he gets. You have to send. You also have to send the answer to my Instagram DM. My Instagram DM. आई थिंक सभी सोच में लग गए कोई कारी निरा से ग्रेडियंट निकालना है इट्स अ सिंपल मैथ क्वेश्चन ये जो सात मस्त था आई थिंक उसको यहाँ करना चाहिए you think that you can't see hmm. Can you now see Manur Asim 1? How did you solve that? Momin Athil also 1. चलो can you tell me your thought process? चलिए हमें gradient क्या होता है gradient is basically the slope of the line. So this is the line, this is the slope. You should know if the slope is positive or negative. Let's see the -1. Interesting. Yes, but gradient क्या होता है? Gradient क्या होता है? Gradient slope होता है. Gradient steep होती है. Aliza Shakir, negative. Negative what? You have to be specific. Let's see if you're falling into the ATS trap or not. So this is also an obstacle that you have to face. Khalid Mansoor, gradient is 2. Hmm. What is your thought process? Where is the other point? Like, where is the other point? Manu Rasim took 2.00 and 222. Yeah, that is the right thought process. Now, if this is the right answer, let's see. Isha Salman 2, X. X अच्छा there is no X and Y axis. It's a trap. Hmm. I don't know about this. Saif Ali Shah, love you, Sadhu. Love you too. Hamza Malik, give us 4 options. No, no, it's not going to be that easy. So ETS में भी नहीं होंगे options, तो फिर आप क्या करोगे? It is the origin. Manur has the right thought process, and I think Momina also has the right thought process. But let's see. Okay, 2 more answers and then I tell you. Let's see. Whoever gets it right is going to get a free session. That's for sure. Two more answers. Adam Tails. I think every boy will know the answer. Then he should comment, right? He should have the guts to answer. Attabak Star 1. I think people who are answering 1, their thought process is absolutely right. I can guarantee that. Okay, I'll say this. So the only person who answered this question correctly is Ali Ahmed because he said that there is no X and Y axis and it's a trap. Yeah. Can you see the X and Y axis? You just assuming that there's an x-axis and y-axis. There's no. How can you even determine the gradient? What if these lines are in the space? Itni science hoti hai. So this is a classical EPS trap. So I didn't get exactly this question, but yeah, this is like their thought process. So Ali Ahmed, you can DM me and get a free suggestion. Hello, boys. I'm going to sit now. Wow, Ali, you have scored. So yeah, these are the ETS traps that you have to be careful. The math is not difficult. I'm assuming everyone knew how to find out the gradient. That's never the issue. Atabak, Israr, yeah, the answer was right one. But if the labels were mentioned, right, that goes for everyone. So do you get the point? So yeah, you don't have to be organized, punctual, and motivated to solve this. You have to know what the answer is. Anu asking, what is the exact answer then? You can't answer this question. It's a trap. You'll say cannot be determined. So most people say that that's the easiest choice to eliminate, and that's exactly the first answer that should be in your mind. Chalo, I had to answer those long questions. Should I answer them? Um, okay, so for the working professionals thing, Attabuk Israr, can you guide me on how many sections does GIE have? The two essays in the beginning, then five sections in total. They can either be three of math and two of English, or three of English and two of math. Good question, to the point. Um, if you want to ask a couple of short questions, then it's okay. I'll wait for a minute and then I'm going to address the long questions. So there are three of them: one for the working professionals, one for Fulbright, and the other is for other resources for Quant. This is such useful insight. Thank you, Adam. You must give the GRE now. Otherwise, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's an obligation. You have to follow my Instagram page. That's also an obligation. And you have to like my Facebook page. That's also an obligation. So 30 more seconds and then I will address and then I'll conclude because I have family commitments also. Arvish Malik, Atabak, bro, great question. I would also like to know Saad. Yeah. So Atabak had a good question. Fahad Naveed Asani, kya baat hai Saade? This name looks familiar. So yeah. Um, Thank you for the support, Asani. The game is to go through the grind. Uh, So 20 seconds and then we're off. So for now, Anusha and Ali Amir have the free sessions. That's all. I don't know how you guessed the trap though. Great job, buddy. Keep it up. Thank you, Fahad Naveed Asani. I hope you're good too. So people need to be guided about the GRE. That's exactly why I tried to initiate this channel. Okay, so I'm going to address the final three questions. So the first question is for working professionals. Alina asked this. So for working professionals, first of all, you have to learn the vocabulary in your office. That's very easy. For Quant, watch the videos when you come home. I know it's a bit taxing, but yeah, you have to do that. And for verbal, you will have to, I think you'll have to devote your weekends on a Saturday and Sunday. You have to do that. So yeah, and please take around 15 or 20 days off. You take your annual leave before the exam because you have to be in that mental state. So yeah, that is for Hamza Malik. Okay, so Hamza Malik, I think he wanted to answer something. Yeah, so that's the case. Second is Fulbright. I think I already answered that. It's a thing that the GRE is not a game changer, but it cannot harm you. That's the gist. So yeah, for Fulbright, and there was a myth that they need a 3.5. That's only for this year, not for next year. Lastly, other resources for Quant would be Manhattan other than Magoosh. And let's see if I have some flavor of questions. So is everything uh, solved? I need to give a couple of announcements and then we'll close the session. So for working professionals, you have to be extra careful. You have to keep how is GRE scored? He's asking some really good questions because they are very specific and I can answer them in 10 seconds. So GRE is scored from a scale of 130 to 170, 130 being the minimum, 170 being the maximum. That applies to both the sections, font and verbal. So a total of 340. Another thing that the AWA, which is the analytical writing assessment, is not scored within the 340 range. So it's a score that is separated from the final score. So yeah, actually it's a 340. It's scored out of a 340, and the essay is scored out of a 6, but it's not counted towards the final score. Good question. So these are the type of questions which are very easy to answer and are very specific, and everyone can. I am assuming people don't know about this. Thank you, Saad bhai. No problem, Atta bhai. Do you have one specific question? Then I'm closing the session. I have to. I have family commitments. I just have to announce a couple of things, and those are really important. So I'm waiting for 30 seconds. I'm assuming Atta is a person who can ask, potentially, or Adam, or something of that sort, because they're asking specific questions, and we can make use of the last minutes. And you've still not answered my mother's name or my brother's name. So yeah, you guys will be penalized for that. Let's see. You can DM those names. Let's see. Is essay necessary to give? Oh, what a good question. Is essay necessary to give? So this is also a trap. You have to give it. That's what I can say for now. But yeah, is it necessary? Yes. The objective answer is yes. But is there a game behind it? Yes. But what's the explanation behind it? Let's see that. Let's see that as time progresses. So a good question. Chalo, I need to address a couple of things. I don't think that there are even a couple. There are about three things. So, firstly, my team is going to be handling everything. Now, this is very important because first, I didn't think that this channel would go so viral. So, thank you for all the support. Atabak, when is the best time to get? I'll answer this afterwards. So, team handling. My team will be handling everything from logistics to everything. So I honestly do not reply to personal DMs, and other if you do that, I'm going to direct you towards the team. So there's no point. One thing that you have to contact the team no matter what. They're tweaking my schedule and going out of the way to help me out and to help the community. So yeah, you should respect the team. Secondly, there's going to be a session next Sunday, and you guys have no idea what's coming there. So yeah, let's see. For the session next Sunday, I'm going to disclose a couple of details about those. Um, let's see if it's virtual or what. But yeah, you should attend that session. That is going to be a game changer. Is that fine? Who taught you the essay part? So Atta and Ali's answer, I'm going to answer. The session is going to be next Sunday, so keep that in mind. Thirdly, there's going to be a Google form that we're going to float right now, right after this video. So stay tuned. You just have to fill your details for the session next Sunday, and my team is going to contact you. I'm saying this again and again, not to sound too arrogant or anything, but that is the only way we can all help the community. Please keep that in mind. Actually, I didn't think that the channel would go so viral. So yeah, we had to come up with a solution. This is also a jugaad. Um, I'm going to wait. Let me read the questions. So also, there's going to be a video tomorrow that I am going to launch. I think it's going to be around 1 p.m. We're going to launch that. So it highlights the importance of GRE, and you guys have no idea. You guys just think that GRE is a game changer and it's a lottery ticket. Those are just mere words, but I would tell you why it's a game changer. People who have low GPAs have stigmas attached, and there are countless factors that I have addressed, and there are countless factors that I need to address, and there are countless factors that will be addressed. So please keep in mind that there's a video coming up tomorrow, and please keep in mind that I work for a firm also, so I need to prioritize that over this. This is just to help you guys out, and my team is doing everything, is tweaking my schedule. I know it's very difficult for them and for me because I answer after ages, but yeah, that's the best solution that we could come up with, and they're very good people. Let's see, you'll have that interaction with them, so let's see. So I'll be addressing Ali and Atta's answer. For lastly, there's also a surprise, but yeah, I will be giving out customized plans to students. I will be giving out customized plans to students. No, it's not that easy. People just inbox me and say, "Give me the customized plan." That's not how it works. That is absolutely not how it works. It's not like I'm going to give a customized plan to every student. The same customized plan, or like other companies do. I won't name them. They just have five customized plans and then they throw it on your face. So I'm not going to do that. So that you have to contact the team for that. Also, the team will contact me, and I'll be making a customized plan and then forwarding them the customized plan, and they will be sending it to you. So I am actually an intermediate link. I am actually an intermediate link. I'm again repeating this. So yeah, I can't address you. So the team is going to address you for everything, every single thing. So yeah, the customized plan I think is the game changer, because people usually throw five customized plans, even very, very good companies, on your face, and that doesn't work because you need to have a lot of factors such as your background, what your intended major, what your weekend, your Power Prep one score. I think I can go on and on about this. So yeah, this is something, and you get to know about the team as time progresses. I don't want to give them a shout out right now. It's like shameless advertising. So yeah, I think I've covered everything. Is there anything left? No. Only Atta said, "How is GI scored?" Thank you, Sabri. The truth is, Atta said, "When is the best time to take the GRE?" I would say currently right now, because of the COVID situation. But yeah, if there was no COVID situation, hypothetically speaking, then you should give a couple of months with my Jugadu methods. I know guarantees in these test preps, but yeah, 2 months. Ali Amir, who taught you the essay part? Uh, my brother is really good at English. So yeah, he told me how to go about the business. So it's not about writing a lot of words, and it's not about writing very short words. You have to be to the point. You have to. Now I'll reveal that what you have to do, but essay is the easiest part. So I think we're done. Or do we have to? Acha, I have to stress again that you have to contact the team in any case. So, and the fact that you can't contact me on my personal number, it got. I don't want to mention anything, but yeah, please do not contact my personal number. There's no point because I'm not going to reply. The I think even if you're going to pester me, I'm not going to reply. Uh, So please don't do that. Chalo boys, I have to finish. I think I finished everything. Stay tuned for the floater that we're going to give you right now. It's going to have all the details and everything. The team is going to contact you again. The team is going to contact you. So I'm leaving now. So okay, so I'm off. Take care.
And stay safe because this is a very difficult situation to be in.